Welcome, today I am with iPhone 13 mini and I will show you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. So the first we have to go for the settings. Next we have to scroll down until we find the wallpaper. And right now when you're here we can click here to choose a new wallpaper. And as you can see we can pick dynamic, stills and live wallpapers, the default wallpapers from Apple, but also we can pick photos from our smartphone, photos and pictures. But I'm going to use the dynamic wallpaper, so click here and then choose your favorite. For example, I'm going to use this one. Right now we have to click set and the right bottom corner, and next you have to choose set on the lock screen. Take a look right now. As you can see, our lock screen wallpaper has changed. So that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.